Hey, what's going on, guys? If you guys have noticed in the background, you've seen this Sonic, and you guys may have been curious on what it was. It's actually my sister's car. Her brakes are making a awful noise, and I just brought it in, ordered the brakes and all that, and then I found some other things wrong with it, like the sway bar end links were like dry rot cracked, and the plastic was in two pieces on the other side. So, got new brakes on it, the tie rods, the coolant bottle was cracked, which that could have been their own fault, and basically just doing a complete once over. I thought, while I'm waiting on parts still, I am going to actually detail the car for her. I am going to make sure that this is almost clean and spotless, probably better than what she's ever had it in the, gosh, I don't know, 6-7 years that she's owned it. But yeah, this is why that car has been in the background. But let's put on some good, nice music and let's get to the detailing. One good thing and one bad thing is it's a complete downpour, so I'm definitely not going to be able to do the exterior in this video, but I'm more worried about the interior. You guys will see why. Let's get to it. Honestly, what I think would make this a lot easier is putting you guys on the head mount. So I'm going to go do that. All right, so we got the head mount on. One quick thing, I'm not going to do anything to this car that I don't actually want to do just for content. So it might get a little slow until racing season happens, which is only about another, 3 videos away. Well, 2 after seeing this one. But for now, I do have the hitch ordered, but there's really not going to be much else you're going to see on this car until I take it racing, unless it's a nice day and I go out and drive it. So there's that. Bad news is right now, April 11th doesn't actually look good weather-wise, but I'm still praying that we can get something going here. So let's get to the detail. So obviously I'm just going over this first, so I'm not, not really trying to get absolutely everything. I'm obviously going to go through with each one of my pieces of detailing products, but for now this is just the start of it, and I'm actually shocked with what's all there. Obviously I have the floor mats down there, and I'm not going to be able to clean those properly until I probably take the car outside and actually wash it, which hopefully I'm able to do in the next day or so. So let's keep rolling. Big Creed fan here, but anyways, I'm not touching the trunk. I'm more just focused on getting these seats cleaned, and then I'll focus on the exterior on, of course, like I said, another day. But for now, I'm actually gonna get my steamer, my little Bissell. All right, I'm gonna push this back. So there's really only one spot that I saw that was pretty major. All right, now we're gonna focus on the front seats and the floor, and then we'll hit the door panels and the interior door jambs there. But for now, this is what it's looking like. Obviously, I'm not going like too like, if this was a customer's car, since I do a couple customer details a year, it's not going to be as in-depth as that. I'm just cleaning it up because it hasn't been cleaned in a while, and I thought it'd be a nice treat for him. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, I thought I was done with this and I forgot I didn't do this side. I'm a little all over the place. That's okay. I'm not in a rush. It's not people waiting on me. Just, you know, nice little chilled, relaxed, little fun detail, because I actually enjoy detailing. I just don't really care to do it for a living, which is kind of weird because it probably would make me a decent amount of money. I like to do it when I feel good, not when people ask me to. As weird as that sounds, just sometimes it can get, life can just take tolls on you, so I'll leave it at that. But I'm in a good mood right now, so let's get detailing. Quick interior, I use this. I don't use a brush and go through everything. I do this, and this works very well. So I'm gonna keep using this. Well guys, this is about the final product. It's a lot nicer and shinier and all that. It's I honestly think it's pretty good. Definitely a lot better than what it looked like at the beginning. Let me get a little bit more here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed just a little bit of a smooth, relaxing cleanup of my sister's car. Plus, I like doing good things for good people, and my sister's a really good person, so I really hope she enjoys it as much as I enjoyed cleaning it. But until then guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.